Hello, ladies and gentlemen.
This is Britain.
And this is me.
तुका लोक वाटनाय इंकित कोत्ते सांग
We are here at Kew Gardens.
क्यू गार्डनचा कित स्पेशल हा
Arey, it is meant for nature lovers and the largest botanical collection in the world is here.
अय हे झाडां नाव सांगू
Because we don't know, that's why we kept a guide.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is a popot tree. Okay? See how many popots this tree has got? And how many babies it will give? Take a very sad about it. I've just peed on it.
What is this?
It's succulent popot. सारखं बोंबील झाला.
तू वयर कित्या वयता जीव दिता कित गो
इतू बेगीन तू छाट सोडपाना जाणा तुका तेंच जाय म्हणून याचो 2 बॉडीगार्ड दवरलो हाय तुका लागून
You get the best view when you climb up the stairs.
तू एक हा उदो चोयलें की ना रोप दिवन चुकोंक आयलो
Arey, Anadia, it's called as decoration. Look at all of these things also.
बरें केलें मुगो तेणें
And you know, all of us bought something or the other to eat.
बेब तू गेलें बरें
अरे तुका सांगलो मरे यो म्हणून. Look how much fun we had.
तुका पावस लागल ना
It was bright, sunny. Now it started to rain. What's the weather update?
Look, the rain has disappeared. But my umbrella, my sontri is always ready.
Sotri.
You never know. Paus pollo.
And if you come by car, then use the Benford gate to enter.